In this video, we will walk through the text area filter in Inforiver Super Filter. Text area filter capability provides an efficient way to filter data dynamically using text inputs with and/or conditions. Let's get started. We begin by adding Inforiver Super Filter to the report and adjusting its size and position. Next, we will populate the category data field with the category and color columns. Next, navigate to the Facet Filters section in the Format pane and set the view type to Text Area. A text box will appear, allowing users to type in the items they want to filter by. The number of text boxes will match the number of categories added to the category data field. By default, the OR operator is selected for each category. Click on the OR option to switch to AND, and click again to revert to OR. The AND/OR operators enable users to apply logical conditions in the respective categories for multiple search criteria. For example, if we type bikes and components in the category field and choose the OR operator, then the filter will return items that are either bikes or components. Now we type silver and *B***. You can simply hover over the info icon, which displays instructions on how to use the wildcard search for any search criterion, and now we choose the AND operator. Then the filter will return all items that contain both silver and the letter B in a color record. In this case, records containing values like silver/black are filtered. This is how users can enhance their experience by gaining precise control over category-based filtering in the Inforiver Super Filter visual. Download Inforiver Super Filter today, Microsoft certified visual, and use it for free forever. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.